Thank you, Union Repair, for my free gifts. I really appreciate that. Well, these right here I paid for, guys. These ain't free, but this is what they send me free. I had to ask about it. I seen everybody use them, and I will use them and test them and make a video just for you, Union Repair. I guess they send me one of each. I sure love you. Oh, much love and respect for Union Repair. And I'll go ahead and test them out. The one I usually use is this one right here. It always grips on the XRs. Every time I use my tools for the bottom screws on the XR, this style right here always grips. Let's see what they got for me. Alright. Been through. Been through. Money low. An XR, like I said, my tools always script. I buy these almost every week for my XRs and Maxes that come in. And I mean, I like them, but they're not as strong as I like them to be. So let's try the Union Repair ones. And we're ready. Knock them out. Let's see what happens. Okay, looks like it's still okay. I don't know. There you go. Oh yeah, I can feel it tight. Oh my god, no, I love this one. I love this one. You can feel it. Sit in the screw hole. Tight. And then pal, look at this. Both of them. Like I said, my tool usually strips. I'm gonna try one more. Another XR. Oh yeah, I'm in love. Oh yeah, I'm in love with this. Like I said, mine would have been stripped by now. And one more. So I already tried them two and another XR. We love them. Oh yeah, definitely loving this too. And I got my J7 programmer. And my P11, I got this about a month ago. I only used it once. And I'm happy that I got this right here. iCopy. Battery data and LCD True Tone.